Hello students, Namaskara everyone. I hope everyone is able to hear me. Yes, tell me, is it audible to everyone? Yes. So we are doing the Navodaya test series, that is for the 45 days crash course, right? So this is our 2024 question paper and we will be solving that. Okay, we'll be solving that now. Okay, and then we'll be studying the answers of that. Okay. Okay, good. So here if you see, we solved the mental ability section yesterday. We solved the mental ability section yesterday. Yes, isn't it? So today what we will be doing is we'll be solving the maths section. What we will be solving? We'll be solving the maths section and then I will explain all the questions to you. Okay? Yes. Namaskar everyone. Good evening. Welcome to our 45 days Navodaya crash course. So let us go to the maths section now. Let us go to the maths section. So here is the first question. So this is how the question paper will look like. Okay. So if I scroll it up, so there will be section like this. Okay. So there will be 20 questions. So from 41 to 60. So there will be a total of how many questions? 20 questions of maths. Okay. Okay, good. So yes, namaskara. So everyone like the video and also share with your friends so we can reach to many students. Okay. Yes, everyone I can see everyone is chatting. Yes, very good. Okay, good. So let's go to the solutions now. Let's go to the solutions. So I will solve now. Okay. So here 41 question. Here 41 question, right? So if you see what they are telling, conversion of 37 and 7 by 6 into decimal is the first question. 41 question, right? So if you see, okay. So, so 41 question, right? So 41 question. So that is 31 and 7 by 16. We have to write it in the decimal form, right? We have to write that in the decimal form. So how do we write in the decimal form? Can anyone tell? Tell me. So if you see here, so that is the question is 37 and 7 by 16. So you know this will come as, that is what, 30. So that is 31 point. So answer will come 31 point. Okay. So if it comes 31 point, so what we have to do? We have to divide the 7 by 16. So I will divide with the long division method for now and then we'll see the answers in the direct how to do. Okay. So here 16 if you want to divide, that is 7. So 7 is smaller, so we have to take 0 point, so it will become 70. 7 now 16. How much? 16 4 is 64, right? So if you minus, answer will come as 6, right? Answer will come as 6. Then already decimal point is there, we can take a 0, so it will be 16. So 16 how much? 16 3 is 48. 16 3 is 48. So if you minus, so answer will come as how much? 12. So like that it will go on. So here the answer will be 31.43 will be here. So 43. If you see in the options, 31.43 is which option? So 31.43 is in the option C. So that is the answer, option C will be the correct here. Okay. So easily you can do it. So because it is 31 and 7 by 16, don't change it into mixed, that is improper, and then do it directly. You can write it as 31 is a number, 31 and it is, right? So that is a whole number. So directly take 31 as it is and then directly divide the 7 by 16. So you will get the answer easily. So that is answer is 31.7, that is 43. So that is the answer here. Okay. So this is how you have to do, and also we know how to do it directly. Also we know what, how to do it directly, right? So that is, if you want to do directly, what we have to do? 16 1 is 16, 16 how much is? That is 7 is smaller. So what we have to do? We have to take 0 here, 0 point. So that is 70 it will become. So 16 4 is 64. Then again 6, that is 6 will be remaining 60. So 60 means that is 16 3 is 48. So 0.43. That is more than enough to get the answer. Right? We don't have to do anything more than that. Okay. Okay, good. So next here, that is what? Okay, so here 42 question. So what? 42 question. So what will be the answer for the 42? Let us see here. Okay, so write the answers in the comment. I will come in a minute. Okay. Okay, so that is how you have to do. So that is the 43rd question. Okay, so that is 43rd question. I hope it's audible to everyone. So that was maybe it was not audible, right? So there was some issue. Okay, so I think it's audible now. Yes, students? Okay, good. Okay, good. So do it. Next question. Students, this is 2024 question paper, previous year question paper. Okay, so we are solving previous year question paper 2024. Okay, okay, good. Okay, students, the 43rd question I will explain again. Okay, so because it was not audible, right? So I will explain this again. 43rd. So if you see here, what is it? The question is a by b is a fraction where a is equal to b minus 3. A is equal to b minus 3. So and then this is the equation a plus 10 minus b divided by b minus a divided by b is equal to 10 by 7 is the question. So we know when the denominator is same, what we do? Directly we add or subtract. So this is b is the denominator here. So that is a plus 10 minus a. So that is the numerator. So if you want to write, you can write, otherwise you can leave it, because the b is the denominator we want. So b will be 7 here, b will become 7 means, so that is the answer, b 7. So a will be, it is here b minus 7. So b is 7 means 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3 answer will come as 4. So a by b will be 4 by 7, answer option C. Okay, I explained it once again. I hope it's audible to everyone now. Yes, is it audible? Tell me. Yes. So yes, it's audible. I can hear. Okay. Okay, good. So that is the answer option. Correct. Okay. Okay, good. So next, let us do 44 now. Okay, so if each side of a square is decreased to 1/3 of itself, then the area of the square will decrease too. So this is the question 44. So how do we do? So it is about the area and perimeter. Okay, so let us do that. Okay, so here the side becomes 1/3. The side becomes 1/3. Okay, 1/3. So what will be the area? Area we know of a square is side into side or side square. So side square. Okay, so that is 1 by 3 whole square. 1 by 3 whole square means 1 square and 3 square is 9. So 1 square is 1 and then 3 square is 9. So that is 1 by 9. So 1/9. It will become 1/9, option D for the 44. Understood everyone? So that's how you have to do the answer. Okay. Okay, good. So let's go to the 45th question now. So what is the 45th question? The area of the rectangular plot is 616 square meter and its breadth is 22 meter. The cost of fencing the plot at the rate of 7.50 per meter is, so that is rate is in rupees. Okay, so how do we find the rate? Tell me here. So we already know that is the cost. How to find? So how to find the cost? Cost will be is equal to rate into is it area or is it perimeter? We have to check. So that is, here they are asking cost of fencing. Fencing, where do? We do on the boundary. So that is rate into perimeter. But to find the perimeter of rectangle, we need length and breadth. You need length, and rate is given as 7.5 rupees into perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. But here they have given only breadth. B is how much? That is 22 meter, but we don't know length. So what they have given, one more information they have given as what? That is plot area they have given. What they have given? They have given the plot area. So if you select the plot area is how much? That is 616 is the plot area. Okay. So how we find the plot area? That is length into breadth. So if you want to find the length, we have to divide area by breadth. So area is 616 divided by breadth is 22. So now if you divide with 22, 22 2s are 44. So 22 2s are 44, 23 2 3s are 66. So remainder will be, that is 17 176. So 22 how much are? 22 8 za, so 28 will come. So 28 will come means, so here length will become 28. So 7.5 into 2 into length is 28 we got here just now, plus breadth is how much? That is 22. So if you add them, 7.52 za, you multiply it here only, 7.52 za 15, 15 right? So 15 will come here into 28 plus 22 is 50. So 15 5 are 75. So 750 rupees. So answer will be option D. 750 rupees will be the cost of what? Fencing. Okay, cost of fencing. So how do we find the cost? So that is rate into perimeter. We have to multiply. We will get the cost. Okay. Okay, good. So that's the answer for the 45 option D. So let's do the next set of questions, that is 46 question. So 46 question if you do, let us see the question now. Okay. So 46th question. So a machine can print 12 pages in a minute. How long will the machine take to print 5760 pages? So directly it is. So number of minutes will be, in 1 minute how much? 12 pages, right? 1 minute 12 pages. So if you divide by 12, right? So that is, here I am directly doing it. So time is equal to, so that is total how many pages? 5760 divided by 1 minute is 12 pages. So we have to divide with 12. So 12 if you divide, 12 how much are? 12, that is 4s are 48. 12 4s are 48. Remaining will be how much? That is 9. Here 96. 12 8s are 96 and 0s are 0. So it will be 480 minutes. 480 minutes. So 480 minutes means how much hour it is? Tell me. So it is, if you want to divide it into hour, you have to divide with 60. So 480 divided by 60, if you divide, 0 0 cancel. 6 how much? 6 8s are 48. So it will be 8 hour. So answer is option B for the 46, right? So answer is option B for the 46th question. Okay, let's do now 47 question. So this is about angles and, right? So if you see measure of the angles in the figure, so respectively are, so we have to find all the measures. So here this is given as 100, this angle is given as 100. So full angle, we know complete angle will be 360 degree. So 360 degree will be complete angle, means that is 6x plus 4x, right? Then that is 2x and x, right? So we have to add all of them. So 6x plus 4x plus 2x plus x plus 100 will be 360 degree, that is complete angle. So this full complete angle, okay? So that is 360 degree. So we have to take that 100 that side, we minus it, so it will be directly I am writing. So that is 360 minus 100, it will be how much? 260 degree. And this side how many x are there? 4x, and that is 6x 4x 10x, 10x plus 2x 12x, 12x plus x 13x. So 13x will be 260. X if you want to find, we have to divide it. So 260 divided by 13, 13 2s are 26 and 0 as it is. So x will be 20 degree. So x will be 20 degree means, so they are asking AOB. Where is AOB? AOB is there. AOB is this. AOB is the first angle. So that is x. So x is 20 degree means answer option A is the correct one. Answer option A is the correct one. So that is how you have to do the 47 question. Understood? Okay, good. Let's do now 48 question now. Let's do the 48 question now. So let us read it. So the sum of two angles is an obtuse angle. Then which of the following is not possible? So we have to go with the options here. Okay. So obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means how much? Tell me, students. That should be more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Right. So that should be more than 90 and less than 180 degree. That becomes the obtuse angle. Right. So that becomes the obtuse angle. Okay. Okay. Good. So here let us go with the option A. So one right angle and one acute angle. If you take, it should be always, okay, true. So if you take option A, I will take example. So right angle is 90 degree and then acute angle means any angle 10, 20, 30 less than 90 degree. So I am taking 10. I am taking 10 degree. So 10 degree if I take, it will be 100 degree. Is it an obtuse angle? Yes, it is an obtuse. Okay, understood. So if it is more than that is acute angle should be less than 90, right? So that is, if you take 90, one more example, 90 plus 89 we can take, it will be how much? That is 179. So that will also be obtuse angle only, right? That will also be obtuse angle only. So if you take B option, so it is what? One obtuse angle and one acute angle. Will it be obtuse? So obtuse angle if you take, that is, let's take 110 degree obtuse angle, right? So this is the obtuse angle and plus one acute angle is how much? Let us take 30 degree or anything. Yeah, I have taken 10 degree, you can take even 10 degree. Okay, so it will be 120 degree. Yes, it will be obtuse. But if you take any other angle, so let us take obtuse angle as, that is, let me take 170 plus 50, this is also acute angle, so that will be how much? 220. It is not obtuse, it is not obtuse. So B will not come answer. Okay, so two acute angles. So if you take C option, so two acute angles means what? So if you add, that is, let us highest obtuse acute angle, right? So what it lowest acute angle I will take, so that is 10 degree plus 10 degree, it will be 20 degree only. So it is not obtuse, it is not obtuse. So C is not always correct. Okay, so D, that is two right angles. So two right angles, so two right angles means, so that is 90 plus 90, that is not obtuse, it is 180 degree is a straight line, so that is not possible, that is also not possible. So D is also not possible. What will be the answer? Always option A will be the obtuse angle, one right angle and one acute angle. So maximum also I took it here, so that should be 79, not 89, 79, that is acute angle, right? So that is why here 79 is the maximum. You can take 0 also, right? You can take, that is 0 is not a acute angle, right? So that is 1 degree. If you take 91 is also what? An acute angle, that is obtuse angle only. So this way always A will be obtuse angle, always A will be obtuse angle. Understood? Okay, good. So that is 48 question. Understood everyone? Yes. So now let us go to the 49th here, students. 49th question. What is the question? Sumit weighs 107 kg and Sanjay weighs 82 kg. The difference of their weight, if the weight of each is rounded off to the nearest 10. So we have to round off to the nearest 10. So let us take it. So 107, if you round it, it will become 110 kg. And then 82 kg, if you round it up, what it will be? It will be 80, because 2 is smaller. So nearest 10, we know, I am not explaining, right? So it will become 80. So if you add them both, what answer will come? 190 kg, 190 kg. So rounded off to the nearest tens. Okay, so that is Sanjay weighs 82 kg. The difference, so sorry, we have to find the difference, minus it, not plus. Okay, so I did it plus, that is wrong. So minus it, 110 minus 80, what answer will come? Tell me here. That is 30 kg. So 30 kg is which answer? option A, right? We have to find the difference here. We have to find the difference. So answer option A will be the correct for the 49. Understood? Will everyone be able to do like this? Okay, good. So this is how we have to do the solution. Okay, let's go to the next students, that is 50 question. So what is the 50 question here? So if you see, okay, so 50 question, what is it? Okay, wait. So sum of the digits of a number is subtracted from the number. The resulting number will always be divisible by, we have to find it. So let us take an example. Let us take an example. So I will take a digit, that is 145. So we have to subtract. We have to subtract now. Let us subtract the sum of the digits. So what we have to subtract? Sum of the digits here. You can see sum of the digits, right? You have to subtract sum of the digits. So that is 1 plus 4 plus 5. So what it will come? 145 minus 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. So if you minus 10, it will be 135. So 135, it is not odd number. It is an odd number. So it is not divisible by 2. Option A is gone. 7, is it divisible by 7? Not possible. Is it divisible by 5? Yes, it is divisible by 5. But is it divisible by 9? Yes, it is also divisible by 9. Both are possible now. If I take one more example, let us take 127. 127 minus, that is the sum of the digit, 1 plus 2 plus 7. So it will be how much? 127 minus 1 plus 2, that is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10 here also. Okay, so that is 117. 117. So now is it divisible by 5? It is not divisible by 5. Will it be divisible by 9? Yes, it will be divisible by 9. So 9 how much? 9 13s are 117, right? 9 13s are 117. So answer is option D. It will always be divisible by 9. Any question you take, it will always be divisible by what? 9. Okay, so that is the answer option D for the 50. Understood everyone? Okay, good, very good. So that is how you have to solve the question. Okay, let's go to the next 51 question. So what is it? So that is, in the given bar graph, the number of matches played by a cricket team of different countries is given. Okay, so countries in a year is given. So here they are asking how many matches were played by Australia than Pakistan. How many more matches were played by Australia than Pakistan? So here Australia is how many? That is 32 here. You can see here Australia is 32 and then Pakistan is how much? 24. So Pakistan is 24. So if you minus them, you will get more. So how much more it is? That is 8 more. 32 minus 24 is 8 more. So 8 more means answer option A will be the correct, right? Answer option A is the correct for the 51. Okay, so that is how you have to do. Okay, let's go to the next here. That is 52 question. Okay, 52 question here. So let us read the question now. So a fraction remains the same or equivalent if equivalent fraction. How do you find equivalent fraction? By dividing or multiplying. By multiplying or dividing. So we will get the equivalent fraction, right? So if it is 2 by 3, what will be the, let me take one more other example. Here 4 by 6 is there. If you multiply with the same number, that is 2 and 2, it will be 8 by 12. So that is 4 to the 8, 6 to the 12. And if we can also divide 4 by 6 by 2, right? So 2 to the 4 here in the top, 2 3 is 6, so 2 by 3. So both we can multiply or divide, then we get the equivalent fraction. So what we have to do? So here, that is, the numerator and the denominator are multiplied by the same number other than 0. We will get the same equivalent fraction. So C is the answer. Not added, not subtracted, are not reciprocal, so that is all wrong. So C is, that is, we can either multiply or divide to get the answer. Okay, okay, good. That is the answer, option C for the 52. Now let us do 53. The number of packets of sweet weighing 2 by 3 kg each that can be made from 30 kg sweets. So how many sweets packets will be made from the 30 kg full box? So okay, there is a full big box of 30 kg and we have to make small packets of each how much kg? That is 2 by 3 kg. So to find the number of boxes, we have to divide. What you have to do? Number of boxes is equal to, we have to divide, that is 30 divided by 2 by 3. So for this we have to take reciprocal and multiply, right? For this we have to take reciprocal and multiply and you will get the answer. So that is 30 into 3 by 2. So reciprocal of 2 by 3 will be 3 by 2. Cancellation if you do, you will get the answer. Okay, so if you do the cancellation, what you will get? You will get the answer as what? 240 15s are 2 15s are 30. So 15 3s are, that is 45 packets. It will be how many packets? 45 packets will be made for the 53 answer, right? Okay, so that is the answer for the 53 question. Okay, okay, good. Let's go to the next now. Is everyone able to understand? Yes, very good. So let's go to the next here, students. That is 54 question. So 54 question, 4392 divided by 3.66 is equal to 1200, right? 1200. So that is 54 question. So 4392 divided by 3.66 is equal to 1200. Then what is the answer for? That is, we have to find the answer for 439.2 divided by 36.6. So what I will do, I will take this one and convert it into this. So I will take this one and convert it into this. Okay, so that is 439.2 divided by 36.6. So here there is a no decimal point in the numerator, so we have to remove the decimal point in the numerator, means multiply the denominator, the decimal point will go away, right? So that is 4392 divided by 36.6 into 10, right? So what I will do, I will write with the red color. Okay, so this decimal point will go away and we will multiply the denominator with the 10. Okay, so it will become 4392. Okay, and then there is one more decimal point in the what? Denominator. So here 3.66 it is, right? But here only one decimal point is there in the denominator. Okay, so what I will do, what I will, that is remove the decimal point. If I give the decimal point, what answer will come? Let us see here. Okay, so again I will write it as, so that is 4392 divided by 3.66 I will make it. So this point I will change it. Okay, so I will take other color here. So this point I shifted here, means one more 0 will come. So with that, so that is already into 10 is there. So one more 0 we will have to multiply. Okay, so one more 0 if you multiply, so let me take that is into 10, and then one more 0 means that is 10 we have to multiply it here. Okay, so it will be into 10 in the denominator only. Okay, so that is, it will come as 100. Okay, and for this answer we know as 1200. For this answer is how much? 1200. So 1200 divided by, that is 10 into 10, 100. Okay, so 1200 divided by 10 into 10, 100 here. Okay, so that is 1200 for this, divided by 10 into 10 as it is. So 10 into 10, 100. So 100 means 2 zeros cancel. So answer will be 12 here. Answer will be 12. Option is option A. I hope everyone understood. So this type of questions, what we have to do? We have to change it into the given format and then find the answers. What we have to do? This answer we have to change it into this and then get the answer. Or you can directly divide it. If you are feeling this difficult, we can directly divide it. That is 439.2 divided by 36.6. So here remove the decimal point and then divide it. Directly also you can do it. Okay, whichever is easy for you, you can do it. So let's go to 55 question. So here if you write all the numbers from 1 to 100, the number of times 9 occurs. It will be always 20 times. Remember this directly. So 55 question, how many? It will occur 20 times. Okay. Okay, good. Let's go to the 56 question. The perimeter of a square is equal to the perimeter of the rectangle. Of the length 17 meter and breadth 11 meter. The area of the square. So perimeter is equal. So square perimeter and rectangle perimeter is equal. Okay, so perimeter is equal means, so square perimeter is 4 into side. Okay, and rectangle perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. So 4 into side is equal to how much? That is 2 into length is how much? Here it is given as 17. Length is given as 17 and breadth is 11. So 17 plus 11, it will be how much? 28. 28 to the 56. I am directly writing. So if you divide with 4, so that you will get side. So if you divide with 4, so that is 56 by 4. Answer will be how much? Here that will be 14. So 14 meter will be the side length of a square. So area will be side into side or side square. So side square means that is 14 square 256. Answer, that is the answer option. So the area of the square. So sorry, 14 square, sorry, not 256, 196. 14 square is 196. Answer option A for the 56 question. Okay, okay, good. That's how you have to do. Now let's go to 57 question. So the product of the greatest 3-digit number and the least 3-digit which can be formed using the digits 4, that is 960 is. So here I will give this as a homework for you. So it is very easy. So I will calculate the steps and you have to calculate the answer for this. Okay, so digits are what? That is 9 digits are 9, 6 and 0. So the smallest number, smallest will be what? That is 609, and then largest will be what? That is 960. So product means we have to multiply. We have to multiply and you will get the answer. So you will have to find the answer for this and comment in the comment box. So this will be homework for you. 57 will be homework for you. Okay, will everyone do it? Okay, good. So let's go to the next, that is 58 question. So 58 question, if you see, so that is, it is 30,009. So 30,009 means we know how to write in the expanded form. So that is 30 into 1000, right? 30 into 1000 and 9 into 1, that is 9 in the ones place. So 30 into 1000, so that is 30 thousands, and so here 30 or 3 10,000s and 9 ones, 3 10,000s and 9 ones. So here 30, instead of that we can write 3, and then here we can take it as 10,000. So 3 is in the 10,000 place, 9 is in the ones place. So that is 3 10,000s and 9 ones. So answer is option C is the correct. Okay, so let us do the 59 question here. So 59 question is what? So simplify this. So simplify this means, so here it is little complex. Here it is little 5 and 3 by 8 into 8 and 1 by 8, and then here in minus 3 and 1 by 8 into 5 and 5 by 8. So how do we do? If you that is make into improper fraction. So 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 3 43, 43 by 8, and then into 8 8s are 16, 64, 64 plus 1, 65 by 8 minus here 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25 by 8 into 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 5, 45 by 8. Okay, so this is how it is. So we know it will take very long time to multiply, because 8 8s are 64, 64 will be the LCM here, here also 8 8s are 64, here also 8 8s are 64, then multiply. So here we have to find the approximate answer and go with the options. Approximate answer. Okay, so let us do the approximate answer here. Okay, so what will be the answer here? So this is, I will not even convert it into mixed fraction, so that is improper. I will directly do it. So this is 5 and means there is 5 point will come. So for this 5 point, so 5 point how much? So that is 8. If you divide 8 3s are 24, that is 30, 8 3s are 24, then 6 will be remaining. 8 how much are 8 7s are 56, so 5.37 into here 8 point will come, so 8 point, or directly you can take what, that is approximate. So here 3 point will come in the next, that is here. So 3 point how much, 3 point, here 1 is smaller, so that is 10, so 3.1, and then 2 will be remaining, it is 20, 3 2s are 8 2s are 16, like that, into here 5 by 8. So 5 by 8 means how much? So that is 5 point, here it will be 8 6 are 48, so 2 will be remaining, that is 20, so 8 2s are 16, so 5.64. Now again I will approximate to the nearest ones. So here, so it will be how much? That is 5. Okay, and here 8 point something, that is very small, so I have not written, so 8 only, minus here it is 3 in the nearest ones. Okay, so that is because here it is smaller, 1 less than 5. Okay, so here it will be 8.1, so that is also less than 1, so I have directly taken 1. Here it is less than 5, that is 3. So here less than how much, that is more than 6, that is 5, so we have to take it as 6 here. Okay, so 3 into 6, 5 8s are how much, 5 8s are 40, minus 3 6 are 18, so 40 minus 18, 40 minus 18, what will be the answer here, tell me? So that is, if you minus it, 22 will be the answer here, right? 22. So nearest answer is option A, 25. That is the answer. Okay, so you mark it, you will get the answer. That's it. Okay, so 25 is the answer. Don't calculate, it will take lots of time to calculate. Okay, okay, good. So let's go to the next here, students. That is 60 question. So what is the 60 question? So cost price of a book is 100 rupees. A shopkeeper sells 3 such books for 275. What is the profit or loss? So here cost price of one book is 100, so 3 books means 300. So he took for 300 and sold for 275, that is less, so that is a loss. So loss of how much? That is 25 rupees loss. 25 rupees loss means, so option is option D for the 60. So I have done it directly. Okay, I hope everyone understood this, and will everyone be able to do? Yes. So is it easy, students? That is the maths section of the Navodaya, right? So this is the math section of the Navodaya. There will be how many questions? 20 questions. And then this is the paper 2024. This is which paper? 2024 paper of Navodaya. Okay, so this is how the paper will be, and you have to solve the questions. Okay, will everyone be able to do? Yes, thumbs up. Okay, good. So that's how we have to do. Okay, we'll see tomorrow. Thank you for watching.